Hi, Mr. Alatorre. This is Tristan Glaze. The topic for this speech is demonstration for Southern Crescent Technical College. Good evening, everyone. My name is Tristan Glaze, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to transfer a photo image to Canvas. I really enjoy this craft because it's easy, you can add your own touches to it, and it's affordable. So the first thing you'll need is a canvas. It costs anywhere from $3.99 to $100, so kind of pricey, but it all depends on the quantity and the size. Next thing you'll need is a gel medium or decoupage. For the gel medium, there's a brand called Liquidex that runs about $10 to $24 a bottle for a very small bottle. So I recommend using the decoupage. This bottle was $5.99, but let's say you have a bottle of Elmer's glue at home. You can do a 50-50 portion of the glue and water, and you get homemade decoupage for free. The next thing you'll need is a photo image printed on regular paper from a LaserJet printer. Has to be from a LaserJet printer. A paintbrush and a spray bottle filled with water, or a bowl and a rag. A bowl full of water and a rag. So for your first step, you're going to take your canvas and your paintbrush and your gel medium or decoupage. And you are then going to do a heavy layer of the gel medium or decoupage onto your canvas. All over your canvas, needs to be all over it. You are then going to take your photo image and lay it face down onto your canvas. And you're going to want to position it fast. You also want to rub your finger across it to get any air bubbles out. Once you do that, it's going to have to dry, so you want to let it sit for several hours to overnight. For safety, I let mine sit overnight. Once it's dry, it will look like this. Pretty plain. But this is where it gets messy. So you may want to lay something down, or do it outside, or do it over a trash can. You want to take your spray bottle or the bowl full of water and a rag, and you're going to want to spray it on to your photo image. It was working earlier. Once it's fully wet, you can start to see it a little.
Oh.
Once it's wet, you'll be able to rub it off until your image starts to show through.
Oh, wow.
It's going to take some patience. But you don't want to rub too hard. You don't want to rub too hard, or your image will rub off. But you're going to have to rub it all off until your image is fully shown. Once your image is fully shown, this is where you can add your own touches with stickers, if you want to write something on there, or if you want to paint something on there, any kind of crafty stuff that you want to do. If you paint, just let it dry. Once it's dry, you're going to want to seal it in another layer of the gel medium or decoupage.
Can I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
What is the end result that you're looking for by putting on there? Does it make it look like a painting?
It'll actually, yeah.
Textured?
It's textured.
Okay.
Pass it around.
Just wanted to see that.
One side, actually, you can see where I didn't rub it off all the way on the right side. So you can see where paper is kind of still left on there.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where you want to make sure you rub it completely off, but not too hard where your image comes off. Once that's done and you seal it, you can then hang it up, admire it, give it as a gift. And the same technique can also be used on wood.
Wow. Can't see that one.
Oh,
Yeah. That's so nice.
Is that coaster?
That's the same thing that Nicole did.
That looks like antique, this one. No?
That was the same technique that you used for the coasters?
Maybe because of
For
the wood.
my sister-in-law,
Okay.
Nicole did.
Mhm.
Wow, he's cute.
Need to snag
No
him.
doubt.
So I hope everybody enjoyed, and thank you.